we talk about your mistakes, either business or investing, something that nagkamali kayo, may natutunan kayo, and somehow you reverse engineered it to make something better later on. Yun. Who wants to start?
Come on.
First time lang, guys, first time lang namin mag 4-time, how do you call this?
Four-man.
What do you call
Four-man vlog.
Four-man
Yeah.
vlog. Okay. Okay. Want to start? We'll start with the person who has the most experience na lang. Over 50 years in industry. 50 years in business and entrepreneurship.
Panira na.
Nabuta pa niya Yellow Pages, guys, tsaka Abacus when he was doing things. Okay, Jason.
Ayoko. Ano ba? Worst investment.
Worst investment, worst business mistake, something that nung naginawa mo, you lost a lot of money, and then you shifted it so that next business and investment that you did, you were okay already.
Sa akin, may mga bad decisions. Pero yung pinaka naiisip ko na nakakainis, kasi ang liit-liit ng investment ko doon.
Okay.
Tapos, dahil mali talaga yung partner, lalong sumakit talaga yung ulo ko dahil sa maliit na investment na yun. Parang gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na lang, tapos na. Yung kapag nakapag-partner ka sa isang tao na hindi kayo same values, tapos yung perspective niya sa business iba, ang hirap. So yun yung nangyari no, na I think even though maliit lang i-invest mo, kailangan pag-aralan mo talaga at saka alamin mo kung sino yung kasama mo.
So ano nangyari? Nalugi yung business or nainis lang kayo?
Nalugi, pero there were so many parang yung mga nag-email na mga kung ano-ano. Tapos ano na lang ako, silent partner na. Tapos parang maliit lang. Ginawang mountain yung molehill. And chain reaction na. Tapos nag-away-away. Parang I think that's one of the worst experiences in terms of business.
Okay. Do we have a follow-up question?
Hindi siya rin na may kasama ko eh.
Okay. Sorry. Hindi kasi kung si Jason yan.
Guys, by the way, si Marvin may pakana dito.
Oo nga eh.
Okay, baka na. Sige. So after that, what happened? Did you start a new business based on the learnings that you did from that? Or did you say na hindi na ako mag-business, puro ano na lang, I'll just focus on my own thing, I'll just be a speaker, I'll just start my own.
Ano lang yun, parang side business lang.
Okay.
Nag-invest lang ako, tapos reason ko kasi parang medyo, alam mo yun, kaibigan, naawa ka, hindi man naawa, parang sige, supportahan natin. Tutulong. And then, ganun pa yung nangyari. Tumulong ka na, tapos, na-perwisyo ka pa sa isang
Ako, baliktad naman. May ganyan ako. Nag-offer silang tumulong pero hindi ko naman kailangan. Pero dahil inisip ko, makakatipid ako ng konti para sa initial investment, binigyan ko sila ng shares. Tapos lumaki na sobra yung negosyo, I ended up buying some of them out at a much more higher price. Then sana, nung simula pa lang, hindi ko na lang sana sila inibigay. Or hindi ko na lang in-accept yung offer nila.
Okay, this brings me to my next question. Do you advise it to people that if you are starting out, is it better na huwag ka na lang kumuha ng partner? Do everything yourself, fund everything yourself?
Tatapat tayo dito.
Oo!
Si Shaq.
Ay, nasyak ka pala!
Masarap matuto eh.
Nasyak ka pala! Hindi, follow up to that. Do you suggest that they start things on their own, then hire people na lang instead of getting partners?
Bootstrap it by yourself.
Okay.
Di ba katulad ng ginawa ko sa SEO hacker?
Kasi mayaman
If kaya mong kasi sobrang nakaka-tempt, lalo na in the current startup scene, na mag-accept ng investments. Pero the reality is, maraming bagay hindi mo naman kailangan. Kasi some people get investments so they can have a swanky office.
Yeah.
So they can have like a lifestyle that they feel comes with the startup lifestyle. When in fact, a lot of the good businesses that are massive today, like Apple, diba, Google, SEO hacker, diba, started,
1 billion valuation.
they started out of garages. So I think people are mistaking yung pinaka-biggest mistake nila is to take an investment, dilute their ownership, tapos they pay for it later.
Tapos people are now into increasing valuation
Then
as
actual
compared to
profit.
making money in the business.
Uber. Diba?
Pero people kasi are thinking na yung Amazon, that's what they did eh. Also, they started making the business bigger before they were making money. They were draining money for years. Tapos 2 or 3 years ago lang talaga sila
Nagsimula.
kumita. Yeah.
Yung Amazon.
Pero meron kasi silang plan, may end in mind sila.
being
Nakakatawa, yung kinikwento ko, I was watching Shark Tank. Tapos nag-present siya, no? Tapos, he was supposed to be partners with a shoe company. Pero instead of getting shares, ang ginawa niya, nagpabayad siya kasi kailangan niya. Yung company na yun, Under Armour.
oh,
So he lost a huge, ganyan na ganyan reaction ng mga judges.
Parang oo, yun.
I remember that I saw that episode.
Di ba?
Okay. Sean, biggest mistake?
Biggest mistake, investment would be I invested in a FOREX broker person
Aray.
with your friend. Pero it's not a big amount. And
Suddenly,
suddenly,
10 million before, di ba?
nag-default.
Sorry.
20 ata, 20.
Parang sa'yo ata.
Hindi.
So, nag-default siya. And then, the company closed. Maraming sinasabi na tinakbo or ganyan. But because it was money I was willing to lose. Parang I didn't let it stress me out na. Pero it was a bad investment kasi hindi ko siya pinag-aralan. Hindi ko tinanong okay ba yung company. And then the worst mistake in business is not investing in the team culture. Team
Okay.
culture is very important. I have seen companies with great processes, systems in place that failed and had a lot of breakdowns in their team
Pero
politics.
you lost money because of that or no?
Malaking stress. I think I might have lost growth kasi umagal kami in terms of getting clients and in terms of our efficiency and productivity. So in that case, yeah, I lost money indirectly. And then nagkaroon kami ng 3 waves of employees na mass exit.
Okay, nag-speak ako sa inyo last time, no? Parang
Yeah.
dalawa na lang.
Doon nga nag-mass exit eh. Dahil
Parang 2 weeks ago lang. 3 weeks ago lang.
Yun yung mass exit. Parang yun yung
pala.
Oo. Tama. Yung next book ni Sean.
My bad.
Why I shouldn't have listened to Jason. No? So sa akin, just to share lang, madami ko mali sa stock, super. Pero yun yung technique sa stocks also eh. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn that if it's a mistake, you try to let it go faster. Kasi the problem with people who are investing, mali na, tapos as it keeps going down, they keep holding onto it.
Na feeling nila babawi.
O nababawi or nanghinahin sila, malaki na to eh. Hintayin ko na lang, bata pa naman ako. And I've seen, hindi lang sa akin, I've seen other people na nag-invest noong 1980s, bumili sila ng mining stock at 10 pesos. Ngayon, yung mining stock na yung 20 centavos na lang and it's been 30 years after and they lost money. So sa akin ganun, I bought something, sabi niya, uy, akit to. Binili ko ng 25, 26, thinking na mag-50 siya. Tapos bumagsak yung piso yung stock nun. But I sold at around 16 pesos and it was a learning na number 1, huwag makinig sa kaibigan. That's the best way for you to lose money. Number 2 is, that's why pag
Ako naman ngayon,
that's why pag nagtatanong ako kung bibili ko ba to, sabi ko, ano yung signal mo to buy? Kasi yung risk tolerance is different from mine. Pati sa kanya, we all have different risk tolerances. So, pero yun talaga blindly lang. I bought it kasi habol ko lang kumita. Habol ko, sabi niya kasi 25, mag-50 to eh. So I bought it with the hope na bibili ng 50. And we always say this, hope is not a strategy. Hope is good, but it's not a buy signal. It's not a strategy. It's not something that will help you make money. So, first mistake ko doon, nakinig ako sa kaibigan ko, which is, maling-mali pag nag-stocks. Second was, it was a wrong trade. I should have cut out at 23 pesos. I should have limited my downside. And what I've learned from that is, yun. Every time I make a mistake now, if it's for trading, I cut it quickly and then move on to the next trade. Ganun lang siya. I never make my mistakes longer. Ganun na.
Grabe.
So much wisdom.
Hindi naman.
Nakakahiya naman yung mga shinare namin.
Hindi naman, actually habang nagsasalita ko, kailangan profound yung sagot ko. Kasi yung una ko sasabihin, my biggest mistake, nag-invest ako ng Anthony Hardaway na basketball cards. Ang dami kong cards ng Anthony Hardaway.
Hanggang ngayon?
Hanggang ngayon, nasa bahay.
Oh, man.
I had a choice to do Grant Hill, Jason Kidd, pero mali rin naman pag nag-Grant Hill ako, so okay lang. Mali rin naman yung Grant Hill.
Meron din ako niyan, cards na lang.
Grant Hill, tsaka I think Jason Kidd. Kung nag-Jason Kidd sana ako, it might have been better. Or kung nag-Kobe Bryant ako, it would have been
Much
better. Oh, dami. As in, 2 albums of Anthony Hardaway na lahat ng allowance ko nandun. Kung pinambili ko na lang yun ng PLDT stocks at the time, they've been okay pa rin kahit bumaba yung PLDT from 3 to where to 1,000.
Sabay ka.
May pag-asa ba ba?
We had a video, Rex Mendoza, he bought PLDT at 6. Ninoy got assassinated, it dropped to 3, 50% down. Sinalo niya at 3. Rode it all the way up to 1,000. So, yung mga ganun.
Grabe.
Biggest mistake ko is, dami kong biggest mistake eh. But I wish I started investing early 20s. But if I knew this when I was in elementary, I would have started investing earlier. And hindi ko pa na-meet si Jason na nun eh. So, pero nakikita ko na siya sa TV. Nung elementary ako, nakikita ko na siya sa TV. So, ano na siya nun, motivational speaker na siya nun.
Nag-start kasi ako, 6 years old.
See? Talaga?
Nag-motivate na ako.
Para naman to end on the positive note, ano yung best investment ninyo? That yielded the best results.
My wife, super.
Na walang cheesing ganyan. Lahat tayo, nasagot natin yung cheese eh. Na hindi relationships, business investment talaga. Kanya be it a stock or a business, or sabihin natin in a person, walang emotional churba. Diba? Parang
Naunahan mo ako, bro.
Kaya I'll
Okay.
start. Ito, huwag nyo gagayahin lahat. So,
I'm excited for this answer.
diba? Yung sa akin, and again, huwag nyo gagayahin lahat na dahil ako kasi super high risk ako, yung profile ko. Nung nagsisimula yung Bitcoin,
You bought?
bumili ako.
Below 50?
Yun yung one of the best investments I ever.
Wow.
Pero yun nga, yung comedy doon, alam mo yung may halong konting regret kasi I could have bought more. Ang sinabi ko doon, kasi I was hired as a parang brand ambassador for parang a platform that sells Bitcoin. Sabi nila, you want us to pay you in Bitcoin or in cash?
Okay.
Sabi ko, they pay me a few in Bitcoin, a lot in cash.
What year was this?
Parang 2000, I think mga 12, 13.
Yun ang
mga-
pinakamaganda.
Below 50 pa yun.
Yeah, mas okay pa siya.
Best.
So, yun yung best. Kasi may comedy dyan. Nakalimutan ko na.
Okay.
Kasi nakalimutan ko talaga nangyari siya. Tapos, nakalimutan ko may Bitcoin ako.
Okay.
Up until lumabas yung sobrang daming balita na tumataas siya. Tapos naalala ko, shucks, parang meron akong Bitcoin na. Dinownload ko ulit yung app. Buti na sa akin pa yung ano ko, yung kasi iba yung credentials mo to see it. Andun pa siya. Tapos nakita ko yung amount talagang putingin ako kay Mitch, babe, magmamadrid tayo. Hindi ko na alam ilang thousands of percent.
Pero yung
Thousands.
anong year mo naalala?
Na,
16,
that was 2 years, siguro 2, 1
Oh, that was 19,000. 19,000.
No, nabenta ko siya. Nabenta ko yung Bitcoin. Halos lahat ng crypto ko I sold at around 50.
Kaya pala nabili mo yung buong building na to eh. Grabe.
Pero yung highest na umabot ako, nakita ko 19. Akala ko pa nga tataas pa eh. So inisip ko, I'll keep at it pa. Tapos nakita ko tuloy-tuloy na talaga. I sold na at around 14,850.
Still
Okay.
not bad.
Shansi, best business investment decision ever. Na ngayon guys, hindi nyo lang alam, lumalangoy siya sa pera. Super.
Grabe, hindi.
Super. Sabi niyo, Marvin, saan ka humiga? Cotton ka, Marvin, di ba? Ako, pera.
Guys, twice nyo na narinig yan ngayong araw kasi kayo na kanya ako.
Kasi totoo. Joke
Yun
lang.
naman ng Eurotex niya cash.
Drug money pa.
Yung company cash.
Best investment would be, pwede bang, ano ba, spiritual ba?
Hindi, dapat talagang negosyo talaga.
For me, it was the 1,300 pesos I started to
Put up SEO.
put up SEO hacker. I bought the domain name for 500 pesos, the hosting for 800 pesos for 1 year, and I started blogging about SEO kasi I was learning about it during that time. Just tuloy-tuloy lang ako nagbablog. I got inquiries na from there.
Ngayon, lumalangoy na siya sa pera.
Oh, super.
Guys,
Super.
So, yun. That,
So 1.3 now became how much?
2 billion.
1.3.
times 10.
Times 10. Humble talaga.
2 billion.
So 1 billion valuation, first Philippine unicorn in BM.
Wala pa.
Okay, anyways. You wanna go first? Hindi ko hindi ka nagkakamali
sa akin
kasi.
kasi parang parehas yata tayo, no? Naging friend natin si Marvin.
Oo.
Yun yung best investment.
Totoo?
Nababiduhay namin.
Totoo?
Tapos,
Nakakrap yung vlog dito. Nandito lang yung vlog. Croppable.
Oo, yun ang best investment. Naging kaibigan ka namin. Binobola mo kami araw-araw.
Tumataas self-esteem namin.
Self-esteem.
Then I'm here to bring out the positivity. Oh, go, Jason.
Sa akin siguro well, it's ironic we just had a talk kanina. Kasi yung company na yun, I was part of that company. And I left more than a decade ago. And nakita ko yung
Elementary pa kami lang.
Nakita ko yung growth ng company. Ngayon, they're selling like more than $1 billion na higher. So, even though wala na ako sa company, parang yung nag-uusap nga kami nung CEO si Joey. We're part of one group kasi. Sabi niya sa akin, I'm really proud of you where you are now. Sabi ko, no, kayo, huwag niyo akong kalimutan. Nag-ano kami, in other words, nagma-Marvin Germonan kami.
Wow!
Yes, this is a term now.
Parang na-realize ko
Guys,
lang
unsubscribe yun. Unsubscribe. Remove the bell.
Reverse psychology. Na-realize ko lang na if I was still there, I wouldn't probably be a speaker now and doing what I'm doing. So, tapos ang ganda lang kasi yung mga ibang mga kasama namin, di ba? Yung isa, nasa paano na siya, na may talent company na siya with ABS, si Eric. And then
Si
the others.
Eric!
Yeah, we're part of one group. And interesting lang na nandun yung joy mo seeing other people succeed. And those are the times I wouldn't really discount or forget. Kasi dahil ko natutunan talaga, not just with business, not just with investments, but also with people. Tapos yung mga tao na yun, hanggang ngayon, kaibigan ko pa rin sila.
Sa akin, I don't know if people know what led me to the stock market. I started investing in equity funds first. So yung mga mutual fund na yun. So I started putting money in, tapos dumating sa point na binabantayan ko siya araw-araw. Pero it allowed me to get my feet wet. I placed money in, was watching my mutual funds every day. Sabi ko, parang since I'm watching it every day, why not invest in the stocks directly? And then that's where it started. Started with I think 50,000 stock market, and then once I got my feet wet, yun na. It's been a decade already of doing it. Ano man?
Ngayon, lumalangoy na siya sa pera.
Hindi naman, siya yung...
Actually guys,
Ilan ba ka nag-start?
yung easy call na stock, tingnan nyo na lang yung white candle.
No.
Kasi nandun daw si Marvin Germonan, easy call.
No. I can neither confirm nor deny what this is.
1,000% nakapasok siya doon.
Yun, but the key to that is this sometimes with this spice, yung kung saan tayo nag-start. Kasi bakit yun? Wala naman akong background doon. Pero yun pala, it's a platform for us to do what we're doing now.
Amen.
To end this,
To end this, the best investments start small.
to end this, in whatever you're doing, even if it's business or investments, you put everything you have into it. Kasi even if you make a mistake, it will lead to the thing, it will be your thing. Kasi
Dale, may to lead to the thing, that will be the thing.
It's like the thing.
Of the thing.
Kasi if you do that thing, it will be the thing that will be the thing.
Boom.
Sige, so that's it for now. We feature people who have done it and really want to share their insights and information so that it adds value to you. So, that's it. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon.
Boom.
Bye-bye.